One more person here had a lot of fights with Priya.
Sylvester.
So, Sylvester. I think all of us, there's one person who's having a very interesting career here. He's into sports completely, and none of us are as fit as he is, besides Chirag, who's an infant still. But, so here's to Sylvester. Come tell us something about yourself and one of the instances you had with Priya, fights or...
There are so many.
You said one of the instances, you said five.
बार-बार नहीं चलेगा.
For you not getting married, reason Priya तो नहीं है ना तुझे.
And was hide the problem, you should have gone there. Mr. Mike Powder.
Yeah, ये तो है. इधर ऐसे भी बोलिए चलेगा.
Okay, it is really happy to be here.
Silence.
Probably I've not interacted much with many of you when we were in school, especially with the girls. Never.
Because after the fight.
Priya was the
The
only one.
only interaction was a fight.
I think Priya and Adrina were the only ones who because Adrina was just lived next to my house. So I think Adrina, after the 8th standard, Adrina just moved away. I think she started going with you guys. So that's it. Because till then I would.
Priya, okay.
Oh my God.
Me and Adrina would come to school every single day. And then after the 8th standard, Runa came in. And that's
Yeah,
okay.
that come you all go and go back.
No, Runa. You know, we were Mastan. I think there were a few girls who go to Mastan.
सुनने दो यार. रूना के बारे में
Few girls would go to Mastan and few boys would follow. So there was one day there was this guy who decided to go to her place. Okay, and so I said I think it's not a good idea. But they said no, just come along. So I went along with them. And the next day she complained to Pushpa teacher, 8th standard. And Pushpa teacher called all of us. Like we were like in the staff room. It was on the old school. And we all we are like in big trouble. So she Pushpa teacher asked Runa like identify the boys. So she like this person and this person. When she came to me, Sylvester wasn't there. And that was one incident which I remember, which was really
Scary.
really scary, especially when it came in terms of girls. And of course, in the other ways, being very naughty, yes, always very naughty. And I remember one. Sorry.
Still very naughty.
Still very naughty. I remember one incident with Nebu. That time I had a friend. He was a repeater from a class. He was just 6th standard, okay, and he had taught me to take books. Okay, he taught me to take books and give it to the these these guys who sell these toffees. Okay, he said you take the books, you give it to the toffee guy, the guys will give a toffee. So one Friday, Nebu had this China pen. So I took that Chinese. Will you give me the toffee with this? I'm like, dude, I don't think so. I think I'm going to use it. And then Nebu said, okay, no, this is my pen. I'm like, no, man, this is my pen. And that was 6th standard, I remember. And that was a time where this guy was with me. And I really thought that, I think this is the best way to get things quickly. And that was it. And then he repeated there, and then that was it. And after that,
Good for you.
really good for you. And there was an incident with Trevor, the big
Trevor, yeah.
and pushed him down very good. The 9th standard.
He broke his back.
And I was.
And you went to the next match. You would have been in this reunion anyways.
And there was a fight with him and Alfred. And because Alfred was a good friend of mine, I'm like, dude, what are you doing? Why are you fighting him? So he started fighting with me. And we were at the steps in the new school. And while the fight, I just pushed him. And he fell down the stairs. And he had a slip disc. And my parents would call. First time my parents was called in school, I was given a warning. A second warning after that, I would have been thrown out of school. The 9th standard was like that's an eventful year for me. First, in my first two, that was when I started playing football. My first two terms, unit test and the term, I would just not study. Absolutely like zero in study. I failed in all my subjects. And that's when my mom decided like, Sylvester, studies is enough for you. Like that's it. She took all my books, put them on the floor, and I'm going to burn these books because you're not going to study. Because I failed in really, I failed in all my subjects. So then my elder sister came and she said, like, what are you doing? You're not even bothered. I'm just going to do whatever you want to do.
Please burn it. Please burn it fast.
So,
why is it taking so long?
So then she's like, what are you saying? Like, and I'm like, yeah, I don't study. So she looked at, she told my mom like, no, don't worry, I will take care of his studies. And then I studied, I passed my 10th, luckily I passed my 10th, very. Okay, I passed my 10th, I went to finish my work. I did my TY, and after TY I started working for a company which I just would not like. I used to work for the Air Cargo. So, and I would coach my college where I would train. So my coach who was with me, I would train in the morning and I would train in the morning, do the second shift in the afternoon. So then my cousin, and who's an athlete right now, who I'm working with right now, he said, why do you want to do two jobs? So do just one job. So then I joined a training called as a Bachelor's in Physical Education. And as soon as I finished my physical education, I went to St. Mary's thinking I would get a job. So I went and I said, I didn't think that I would get a job. Lata Hari was there. She was the one supervising Father Adrian. And I don't remember the other teacher, but there was a couple of times these guys were going to interview me for my. So they interviewed me and they said, do you think you want to join me? I said, yeah, I'll join. And I joined as a teacher in the school, where I was the most mischievous student in the school, and all the teachers, including Pushpa teacher and Subhash sir, everyone, when they got to know that I'm joining in, they were like really happy. I'm like, how can you be happy? And I was like really mischievous. But then they were happy in the terms of I was into sports, so I had an advantage that being very naughty, I could understand naughty kids much more easily. It was much more easier. So in the first year I was there, and I really really controlled most of the kids over there, even like most mischievous kids. And the best thing what I experienced there was that without me yelling or shouting or even hitting them, they would understand whatever I had to say. And it was I was really happy. Till today, I don't shout at any kids and I don't raise my hand at any kids. I taught in 3 schools: St. Mary's, Ecole Mondiale, and RBK International. And right now I'm into fitness, so we are training people for marathons in Mumbai, all over Mumbai, training athletes who are into swimming, into lawn tennis, into any fitness, football. So we are basically looking the fitness part. So I'm doing fitness for people who are training for the marathon, and students who are playing football in different schools. And I'm also associated with a school, St. Stanislaus. So I'm doing fitness for them for the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. So that's how, I'm from what I was like a very naughty boy to completely into fitness.
I have to say one thing.
Oh yeah, wait. What the children of Priya?
Priya is having a lot of these stories here.
I don't have any evidence of
But Satya Priya,
I'm so excited to come. The first one, I'm coming.
Okay,
say something nice.
Nice.
You'll have to fight this way,
Okay, till the 10th, of course, we were like really like fighting each other and then after 5 years, I met Priya once again when we were in the same classes for accounts, and Priya and Roshni, they both were there. And I was like, quiet and like, no man, I'm not going to be talking about it. Once again, it's like, but then Priya came to me and she's like, Saroj, you're so changed. Like, how come? I'm like, yeah, like it's been 5 years now. So she's like, in school we had such a bad impression about you. I'm like, what do you think about it now? So that's what she said, like, both of them, Roshni and Priya. Like, we would just not want to talk to you because you were that naughty, like, So that was one incident I really remember of the TY thing. And
Deepak classes.
Deepak classes.
Yeah, because you refused to even acknowledge us. That's when I was like, no, I have to go and talk. He's getting really tortured.
अच्छा वो फाइट के बारे में
Fight?
No, no.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
never had a fight.
Not physical as such.
No, that's it, thank you.
साले अभी नहीं मार के मारता तेरे को
पीछे से वो हाथ की ऐसे कर लिया अभी जो पोस्ट में आ ही गया ना
ये देख भाई चाकू आपको लेके कट रही है
भाई तुम्हारे ग्रुप में एक है तो हमारे ग्रुप में भी एक जिग्नेश था some people grow up and then they lose their whole value. Now I'm not that mischievous, but some people continue and then they grow stronger on that. So now here comes Dignesh. Okay, Dignesh and Satyam both would come here.
I'm there, but I have to.
These guys are going to take really long, I guess. We'll talk about the. They तो बहुत हैं बहुत बकवास करता हूँ मेरे से. Okay, now let's get Keertha.
Keertha.